Tired of greasy, unhealthy meals? Let's change that. Hey friends, ever wish you could cook tasty, healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen? Meet the Ninja Air Fryer. This little gadget is a game changer. Imagine this. You're trying to eat healthier, but everything either takes forever to cook or ends up bland. Sound familiar? That's where the Ninja Air Fryer steps in. With its 4-in-1 functionality, you can roast, bake, air fry, and even dehydrate, all in one compact 4-quart unit. For me, it's been a lifesaver. I can throw in some frozen veggies, air fry them with just a tiny bit of oil, and boom, crispy, delicious, and healthy. And let's not forget juicy meats. My chicken breasts have never been so tender and flavorful. Plus, it's super easy to use and clean. No more greasy pans or multiple appliances, just one sleek gray Ninja Air Fryer. Perfect for small kitchens or anyone short on time. Need to reheat leftovers? This baby's got you covered. Everything comes out tasting fresh and delicious. So if you're ready to make easy, healthy meals without the hassle, check out the Ninja Air Fryer. You can find all the details in the description below. Happy cooking!